Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a AI coding platform which is very much good for any sort of thing. You can generate slides, sheets, code, chat, images, videos as well. You can even call as well. It's called a Genspark. If you just write on Google, GENSP, Genspark AI. So it's a super agent and it can do multiple things. And once you land on this, you will see the interface will look something like this. You just need to sign up to unlock everything. Just log in with your Google account. You can use any sort of thing. It can be Microsoft, Apple account. So I will just log in with my Google account here. So once you log in, you will be redirected to an interface of this. So here you can ask anything to create anything right here. So let's suppose I simply ask generate an image where three boys are coding on laptop in a desert. We simply write the prompt here. So what sort of image that we want to generate, simply click to generate, and after that it will instantly generate this image. So sometimes there can be overloaded. So you can simply click regenerate the response. So you can actually ask any sort of things like top frameworks of React or JavaScript in 2025. You can ask any kind of question. It's similar to ChatGPT, it will answer you. So these are the things which are generated by people. Right here, you can just simply see all these are things which are generated by this AI platform. So it uses all the top tier models from OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. So as you can see, this is their AI chat. So here you can use any sort of model right here, DeepSeek, Grok, Claude, each of the models. So it is using by default is GPT model. So you can simply say build a calculator app in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So as you can see, instantly it will generate the response for us, and you can see the speed here. It is using the latest model of GPT here. So it instantly generated this app. You can say generate image. So they do have this AI image bot. You can click that, and this is the you can click generate image, and here you basically provide what sort of image you want to generate, and then automatically this will generate your image. So it will take some time. So similarly, it has all these tools available. All these are simply agents which are there. So it can even generate slides, sheets, documents as well, pods as well. So any sort of all these are called as agents right here. You can simply say generate a simple resume. So automatically it will generate this resume in Word document side by side. You will see that. So definitely try this, guys. Genspark AI. It's great alternative to tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. It's all-in-one AI agent for images, code generation as well. So all these things you can do. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.